Hey there, nature enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting exploration of the natural world. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of typhoons, one of nature's most powerful and awe-inspiring phenomena. You might know them by different names like hurricanes or cyclones, but they're all the same phenomenon. These massive storm systems are known for their destructive power and breathtaking beauty. The name just depends on where they occur. It's fascinating how the same natural event can have different names across the globe. In North America and the Caribbean, we call them hurricanes. These storms can cause significant damage to coastal areas, bringing heavy rains and strong winds. In the Indian Ocean, they're cyclones. These storms are equally powerful and can lead to devastating impacts on communities. But in Southeast Asia, they're known as typhoons. This region often experiences some of the most intense and frequent storms. So, what exactly is a typhoon? Let's break it down. Simply put, it's a cluster of clouds and thunderstorms that form over tropical or subtropical oceans. These storms are fueled by the warm waters of the ocean. They create a closed circulation system, spiraling around a central point known as the eye. The eye is often calm, but the surrounding eye wall is where the most severe weather occurs. Now let's talk about how typhoons form. Understanding this process can help us appreciate the complexity and power of these storms. There are a few key ingredients needed: a pre-existing weather disturbance, warm ocean waters, moisture, and relatively light winds. These elements come together to create the perfect conditions for a typhoon. When these conditions come together, they can produce some pretty dramatic effects: violent winds, large waves, torrential rains, and flooding. These impacts can be devastating to communities in the storm's path. Here's a cool fact. The largest storm on record was Typhoon Tip, which occurred near Micronesia in 1979. This storm was a true giant in terms of size and power. This massive storm was a whopping 2,200 kilometers wide, with winds reaching 305 kilometers per hour. Imagine the sheer force and scale of such a storm. So how does this all happen? Let's delve deeper into the mechanics of typhoon formation. It starts with warm water in the tropics, which causes moist air to rise. This rising air is a crucial part of the storm's development. Cooler air then replaces this rising moist air, which also starts to rise. This continuous cycle of rising and cooling air is what drives the storm. The temperature difference between the rising air and its surroundings enhances this upward movement. This difference in temperature is a key factor in the storm's intensity. This cycle continues, creating a huge cloud formation that begins to rotate due to the Earth's spin. The rotation is what gives the storm its characteristic spiral shape. As the spinning clouds and winds grow, a typhoon is born. This process can take several days to develop into a full-fledged storm. Typhoons typically occur over areas with plenty of warm water, usually near the equator. These regions provide the necessary heat and moisture to fuel the storms. And they have a season too. Typhoon season generally runs from late June until sometime in December. This is when the conditions are most favorable for storm formation. While we can't prevent typhoons, our advanced technology allows us to predict and forecast them pretty accurately. This helps us prepare and respond more effectively. This helps us mitigate their destructive effects and keep people safe. Preparation and early warning systems are crucial in minimizing the impact of these powerful storms. So there you have it, the incredible science behind the storms that awe and sometimes terrify us. The science behind the storms that awe and sometimes terrify us. Nature's fury is both beautiful and formidable. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating nature facts. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time. Keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.